Merry Christmas. It is morning time, which means I've been up for about 2 hours with the kids or so, and Becca just got out of bed.
Our kitchen is so bright right in the morning that I have to wear sunglasses.
We have a lot.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm.
Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this. If you have kids, hopefully they let you sleep in a little bit this morning, and hopefully it was a magical morning for you. We have a fantastic day planned today with lots of Christmas festivities.
But first, we need to start our day with celery juice like we do every morning, so let's make that.
Let's juice.
Alright guys, we've had a crazy morning here, running around, cleaning, some meltdowns by the kids and by me, so that's been fun. Now we are heading to Christmas Eve service. Ben is obviously not going. He's gonna.
What are you talking about?
You look Christmas ready. Miller cannot go to church because he bites kids, so we don't really feel like holding him in the service with hot candles. So we're gonna head to my mom and dad's church right now and go to their lighted Christmas. I'm going to say lighted Christmas parade, but that's not what it is. Lighted Christmas service, lighted candle service. What's it called? Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. What's that called? What's that service called?
Candlelight service?
Candlelight service. Is that right? Comment below. I'm not sure. Anyway, we got to get in the car. We got to go because, as usual, we're running a little bit late. So we will see you there.
Okay, go get in the car.
Autumn, did you have fun?
Yes.
What? Show me what you made.
I got a candy cane.
Show me what you made. Where's your ornament?
In your purse.
In my purse.
I'm gonna do it really hard.
Lawson, stop. Look at Mama. What is that?
Oh, a blower.
What are you celebrating?
Jesus.
Jesus' birthday? Whoa! We are at my parents' house right now, our 4th Christmas party. The kids are about to come in and see the tree, so let's watch them do that.
Merry Christmas! Looks okay.
That's yours.
Okay.
I'm gonna humble you.
Yeah! It's a marshmallow gun.
That's just what I never needed!
What does it do?
It's a marshmallow shooter.
Marshmallow.
Yay!
Oh my goodness. That is so cool.
Fires real mini marshmallows 30 feet.
Does it come with any? So we'll have to get some.
I think I know what's in this one.
Phase 2.
We got marshmallow guns for my parents for Christmas.
Mom.
Open it, Lawson. Open it.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, you have to
wow.
wear them. Santa the doesn't come unless you wear Christmas pajamas.
Not true.
You have to show them your Christmas spirit.
Nice.
Nana!
You didn't want Christmas pajamas?
No!
Why not? But you get new Christmas pajamas every year. That's what we always get.
I don't want Christmas pajamas.
But we need to wear them for Santa, right?
I don't want to.
Go say thank you to mommy, okay?
No.
Yeah, even if you don't like them, you still need to say thank you.
Yeah.
Go say thank you to mommy. Go say thank you to mama.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, you're welcome, baby.
Oh, Miller said thank you. What did you think, boy?
Daddy.
All right, we are done opening presents. Lawson had a little bit of a hard time that his last present was pajamas. That's when you know they've gotten too many presents and that they're spoiled rotten. So that's encouraging. He was like, what do you mean it's not a toy? I'm like, no, it's not a toy, but good job. So now I am cooking some bacon. I am going to make balsamic glazed green beans with bacon crumbles in it, so that'll be good for dinner. And then I have a ham in the oven and some rice. And I have to make some ham glaze in a minute. And we're having a really yummy Christmas dinner with Mrs. Claus here. This is my mother, everybody. Show me your moves. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. You go all the way, cha-cha-cha. So you met Ben's mom and now you've met my mom. You're so lucky. Ben is putting together a Christmas present with Wesley right now that Papa and Nana gave him. Wesley, do you love it?
Yeah.
Is it a robot?
Yeah, we're gonna build that.
That's so awesome, Wesley.
It's gonna go all by itself.
Oh my word, we're having the
wish it
best
would have a
time.
remote control.
This is our last Christmas party. My bacon is burning, so I gotta go. I am the best cook. Don't you guys want all my recipes?
What?
I'm the best. I'm the best chef.
Becca, you're doing a great job. Merry Christmas! Becca's making bacon. She likes it extra crispy. So this is what happens. Is that loud, Miller? Is that loud? Oh! It's so scary! It's so scary! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
For those of you that don't know this, my brother lives in Australia. He's lived there for 3 years, and he's FaceTiming us right now.
Hey!
Hi!
Where?
Is this weird for you?
Oh, that's better.
Hi, Alira.
There's Papa. I mean, Dad, or whoever he is. Oh, is that? It looks like ocean behind you.
To Nana's house.
To Nana's house.
He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout.
I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Look at what you built.
Wesley, do you build that?
Yeah.
Whoa,
That's totally awesome. It's E.T.
Miller.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Girl, a girl who has everything. party. I've got who's and what's and who's. I've got thingy bobs.
Let them dance.
How about
20.
but who cares? No big deal. I want more. Oh,
I wanna be where the people are.
I wanna see I'm dancing, walking around on those. What do you call
Come again.
feet? All right, guys, we are gonna check out and say goodbye. We are concluding our 4th family Christmas party with some dinner and some ham, and we're gonna head home.
I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.
Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you tomorrow. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas.
Bring the rolls.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice